In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get XP fast in Duolingo, enhancing your language learning experience by making it both efficient and fun. Whether you're brushing up on a new language or diving into Duolingo for your first time, accumulating experience points, or XP, can significantly boost your progress. Let's dive into some strategies to help you level up quickly on your language learning journey. Start by embracing Duolingo's timed challenges. These timed exercises are designed not only to test your quick thinking but also to grant you more XP in a shorter period. As you become more familiar with your target language, these challenges will seem less daunting and more rewarding, allowing you to rack up XP swiftly. Don't worry if it feels a bit rushed at first. Persistence will lead to improvement. Next, daily practice is your strongest ally. Consistency is key in language learning, and Duolingo rewards habitual engagement. Make it a habit to complete at least one lesson each day. The app's streak system isn't just motivational, it also encourages you to naturally accumulate more XP over time without even realizing it. Plus, maintaining a streak can unlock bonus features that might offer even more opportunities for gaining XP. Additionally, take advantage of the XP Boost feature whenever you can. This temporary multiplier is available after completing certain lessons or achievements and can dramatically increase the XP you earn. Use this boost in conjunction with timed exercises to maximize your gains. Timing these actions strategically will help you get the most out of the XP boost. Remember, maximizing your gains in these small windows can lead to significant XP accumulation over time. Explore different types of practice. Instead of focusing solely on new lessons, alternating between stories, practice sessions, and review exercises will not only keep things fresh but also reward you with varying amounts of XP. This approach ensures you're not only earning XP quickly but also reinforcing your language skills comprehensively. It's like a well-balanced workout for your brain, blending new learning with solid reinforcement. Another tip is to join or create a club within Duolingo. Friendly competition can often be the catalyst you need to increase your activity, and therefore your XP. Competing with others to see who can gain the most XP in a week can transform your learning experience from a solitary task to an engaging and interactive challenge. Remember, the aim is to learn effectively while collecting XP. It's crucial not to sacrifice understanding of the language just for points. Keep the learning process enjoyable, and allow these tips to naturally guide your XP increase. With practice, patience, and these strategic approaches, you'll be climbing the leaderboards in no time while genuinely mastering new language skills. Keep up the great work, and most importantly, enjoy the journey.